8/6 into its simplest form or lowest term or reduced form. Look, to simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or highest common factor between these two numbers. So 1 times 6 equal to 6. 1 and 6 are the factor of 6. Then 2 times 3, 6. So 2 and 3 are the factor of 6. On the other hand, 1 times 8 equal to 8. So 1 and 8 are the factors of 8. Then 2 times 8. So 2 and 4 are the factors of 8. Yeah, greatest common factor is 2. So GCF between these two number is 2. So now divide this 8 by 2 and 6 by 2. So we are getting 4/3. But this is an improper fraction because 4 is numerator is greater than denominator. So we need to convert this improper fraction to mixed number. So how to do that? Just divide 4 by 3. 3 goes into 4 1 time 3, 3. Subtract 1. So this will be our whole number part. This one will be our numerator. This will be our denominators. So 1 and 1/3 are our answer.